In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the old right-click menu in Windows 11. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open Registry Editor in your Windows 11. Then paste this path in the address bar. Now click on the folder or the empty area, and create a new key. There, paste this key as the key value. Now right-click on the key we just created, and make another new key. Paste this code as the name for this key. Now double-click on the default file. Then click on OK button without doing anything. Close the registry editor. And restart your PC or Windows Explorer. Now the right-click will show you the old menu. There you have it. Restoring the old right-click menu in Windows 11 is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.